Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Laura. Today we are going to be making some marranitos, some pig cookies. These are very traditional in our Mexican bakeries. They're very popular during this fall season. Everybody wants marranitos and pan de huevo. And I do have a recipe for pan de huevo or conchas. I will link it up here in the cards above so you can go take a look there. Very easy recipe, guys, nothing to it. We're gonna get started. We have our flour, our ground cloves, our cinnamon, baking soda, ground ginger, and salt. Okay, we're gonna give this a mix, make sure everything is mixed up nicely. And it already smells good. Just all the spices that go into these cookies. They are so delicious. Okay, that should do it right there. All right, the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to cream our butter. The butter is at room temperature. Traditionally, these are made with lard. But because I'm not going to be making them in mass quantities, we're going to just use butter today. So we're going to cream this, and then we will add our egg. Right, knock everything down, and we're going to add our egg. One egg, room temperature. Okay, we're going to start adding in our flour a little bit at a time. Okay guys, now we are going to add our brown sugar and our molasses. I spray the cup before I pour the molasses in so that it'll slide right out. Okay, and I'm going to show you how this doesn't really come together in the bowl. If you squeeze it together here, that's when it's going to come together. Okay, so when you're able to press it together, that's when you know your dough is ready. Okay, I'm going to transfer you over to the counter. All right. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to dump this out on the counter. This is the easiest way to do this. And then you just bring it together with your hands. Shape it into a ball. We're going to cut this into two pieces, two portions. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it in half. I'm going to take some cling wrap. I'm going to press it down. Okay, and then we're going to place this in the refrigerator for about an hour until it's ready to roll, and we can cut out the pigs. Okay, I'll be back as soon as these are ready. Alrighty, now for the next step, here we have the dough that's already been refrigerated, and I took it out, and as you can see, it's pretty soft, pretty easy to handle. I do have my silicone rolling mat that I love, and my silicone pad. I just love this stuff for baking and stuff, and nothing sticks to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to just spread a little bit of flour, not a whole bunch, because you don't want to lose the color of your dough. And we're going to roll this out to about a 1/4 inch thickness. I just feel it to make sure that that it's pretty even. Okay, so here we have the famous Marranito cookie cutter. Okay, I got this on Amazon. I will link it below for you. Okay, and I also have a cookie sheet with some parchment paper. I have a brush. I have a little spatulas here so I can lift the cookies off the mat. And then I have an egg. And this is for when we put the cookies on the tray. Okay, we're going to start cutting these out. Okay, and then pull this off. See whatever one works better for you. And there you go, there's our marranito. And then we just start placing them on top of the cookie sheet. I hope you can see what I'm doing over here. Okay, and there we go. We're gonna pop these into a 350-degree oven, but first we are going to brush them with the egg. Okay, not too heavy. Okay, and that's it, ready to go. Okay, I'm gonna pop these in the oven, and then I'm gonna roll this dough that we have left. Roll it back up and cut out some more. It's real easy to work with this dough. You'll be surprised how easy it is. Okay, just sprinkle a little flour again. I have another cookie sheet for these over here. I always have multiples of these cookie sheets, especially for baking time during the holidays. Okay, so we got a total of 13 out of half that dough that we prepared. And I don't think I can get another one, so I will add this to the next portion that I use. Okay guys, I'll be back. Okay everybody, the cookies are out of the oven. Look at these guys. I did let them cool. They baked for exactly 16 minutes for me in a 350-degree oven. Bring you up for a close-up. Look at that. I wish you could smell my kitchen right now. It smells delicious. And I will have the recipe and everything linked below, guys. And can you please hit that subscribe button? Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. That sure helps a lot, guys. And if you leave a comment, hit the like button. That tells YouTube to continue to share our content. I would appreciate it. Okay, guys, the recipe and all the information, everything I used will be in the description bar below. Go follow us on Facebook at Virtual Kitchen with Laura. Let me cut one of these open here on a close-up so you can see what they look like. Look at that. Look at that, guys. How delicious that looks. I'm going to give it a taste. Oh my goodness. Delicious. This is a great recipe, guys. I've used it for years. And I will say, guys, this really does have that typical Mexican bakery taste. It's delicious. And they're soft. The edges are a little crunchy. Delicious, guys. I really do hope you give this recipe a try. Really, really delicious. I hope you give it a try. Okay, guys, that's going to do it for us today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.